Welcome back to School's Challenge Quiz. You are watching the second match in the best of three quarter-final series. Scores are St. Jago High on 32, Wolmer's Boys on 21. The judges accepted St. Jago's answer to the Spanish question, the adjective aburrido. They said boring, and that has been accepted, which explains the extra point that they received during the break. With that, we get into the buzzer challenge. Teams must press the buzzer and wait to be identified before giving their answer. 2 points will be added for correct answers, but teams will lose 2 points if the answer is incorrect. So teams, it's that time. It's time to gear up with your quick fingers, quick thinking, and fast, clear answers, which could put you one step closer to winning the championships. We have 4 minutes on the clock. With that, we'll begin with Bible knowledge. In the penultimate book of the Bible, Jude is identified as the servant of Jesus' Wolmer's Boys.
James.
And the brother of whom? Correct. Biology. Also known as a clyster, what is the more popular name for an injection of fluid into the lower bowel by way of the Wolmer's Boys?
Enema.
By way of the rectum, correct. English language. Give a 9-letter noun starting with F, which means a person who holds a legal or ethical relationship of trust with one or more other parties.
Next one.
Fiduciary, international affairs, a visual one. Teams, look at the screen. Identify this person, please. Wolmer's Boys.
Ivan Duque Marquez.
That's right. Chemistry, what is the oxidation state of sulfur in sulfuric St. Jago?
+6.
In sulfuric acid, correct. Music and audio one. Teams, listen to the clip. Identify the composer of this piece. That's George Gershwin. General knowledge. Thanatophobia is a St. Jago.
Fear of death.
A fear of death, correct. Spanish. What is the English translation for El amor lo conquista todo? Wolmer's Boys.
Love conquers all.
Love conquers all.
That's right. Geography, historically known as the Isthmus of Darien. What is the more common name of the narrow strip of land that lies between the Caribbean Sea and the Pacific Ocean? St. Jago.
Caribbean Sea and Pacific Ocean. That is the Panama. It was Panama.
That's right. Theater and cinema, a visual one. Teams, look at the screen. Identify this person, please. Wolmer's Boys.
James Marsden.
That's right. Information technology. A raster graphic is a digital image composed of a matrix of dots, with each dot, when viewed at 100%, corresponding to an individual pixel on a display. What is the more common name for this digital image? That's a bitmap. History. Which hotel in Jamaica was the first one owned by the famous Hollywood actor Errol Flynn before it was destroyed by fire in the 1960s?
Next one.
The Titchfield Hotel. Mathematics. What is the arithmetic mean of 199, 211, and 160? Wolmer's Boys.
That's 200.
Good.
150.
190. Physics. The 2020 Nobel Prize in Physics was awarded to Sir Roger Penrose, Reinhard Genzel, St. Jago.
What the other ones?
Andrea Gies.
And Andrea Gies for their work on what? Black holes. That's incorrect. The art. A visual one. Teams, look at the screen. Identify the artist who created this piece. Wolmer's Boys. Incorrect. George Stubbs. Jamaican heritage. Which Jamaican town was first named Puerto Anton? Wolmer's Boys.
Port Antonio.
Puerto Anton by the Spanish. Correct. French. What meal is riz et frites et Wolmer's Boys?
All right.
Rice and peas and chicken.
Fried rice and chicken is what we were looking for. Incorrect. Literature. Which novel by Graham Greene depicts the breakdown of French colonialism in Vietnam and the early American involvement in the Vietnam War? The Quiet American. Sport. In the 2021 T20 cricket series between the West Indies and Sri Lanka, who took a hat-trick? St. Jago.
Akila
Danajaya.
In the first match, correct. Bible knowledge. The elder unto the well-beloved Gaius, St. Jago.
Third John.
Is the opening line of which book? Correct. Biology. What is the name for a single Wolmer's Boys?
So we got to work my side.
Cell.
Cell.
Sporangium, a single enclosure in which spores are formed. That is the bell. That's the end of the final challenge and the end of the match. Scores look to be St. Jago High on 40, Wolmer's Boys on 25. As usual, we'll double check those scores and return with the final results right after these messages.